Hi, people truly change the world. Beforehand, oil change is just a simple problem between the motorcycle and the owner.
At saan ka na naman pupunta?
Diyan lang.
Diyan lang?
Sasamahan lang
Sino na naman ang kasama mo?
Ako lang yung kaibigan
Giinom
ko.
ka na naman, maglalasing ka na naman.
Ako
Wala
lang
magpa-changeal
samahan
yung kaibigan ko.
Nakikita mo.
Oh, kakatulpuhan tayo.
And now, it is a big problem that matters to the people. Once you go for oil change with or without asking permission to your partner, it causes intense fight that leads to divorce or breakups. In different circumstances, if the government officials would change their system and promote unity and peace, in order to provide solution to the problem we face, such as corruption, selfish political gains, greed for power, it would be easier to solve the problem in our country.